You know what this is. This isn't on the screen. Don't ask what this is because you know what it is. It's 20 Troopers 2 Special Ops. Welcome back to another video, guys. And yeah, we're just gonna play this for part 2. Everything's going well. It's going well. We're gonna hit right here. Okay. We are going to do that. Yes. My pink boys. My pinky boys. That sounds weird. I don't care, but I like it. Kill the enemy infantry. Rockets. He did. We need the help. Shush. Back up. I'm coming. So you're doing professionally. The pink boys don't care about landmines. Kill these, get the dog tags. Alright. Let it go over here. Ooh, some dog tags. What do the dog tags do? I guess they give me points so I can buy stuff. Oh, they give me money. Oh, we gotta find that other medal. I'm just standing there like nothing happened. He's like, oh, okay. Whatever. Grenade, get out of here! No! Who'd you kill? No, pink boy! Oh, you have a grenade. Why would you guys kill him? You killed Pinky Boy. Look at these names. How about in the comments you guys give these guys some names? No! No! Well, this guy at least. No. I'm gonna get more guys, don't worry. Oh, I could have saved him. Run. Kill that guy. Kill him. Don't worry, guys. We're good. I'm not kidding. No! Junior! I don't even know his name. The pink boys did well. The pink boys. They were so brave. They were so brave. Doing this the right way. Oh, okay, they have names. T-Bone, Jing Jang. Can I change their names? Okay, I don't think I can. Oh, we lost men there. Those men will be honored for what they did. Alright, we got a rocket. I'm saving this rocket. Alright, the pink boys are in the house. I'm not using that rocket. Okay, maybe I am. No crying. Back up. I'm not killing any of my men this time. Pick up those dog tags. Oh, ambush. No ambushes. Something just blew up over here, or that was my coins. Oh, we got some more coins over here. That was weird. Dog tags. Alright, we already been over there. Very careful. Hit the deck, hit the deck. Wait, how do I hit the deck again? Gotta learn how to hit the deck. Hit the deck! Oh, now you do that. Alright, we didn't lose anyone yet. I'm not doing this with you. I'm gonna kill you. Pick up that. Over here, pick up that. Dip. Yeah, I'm just gonna look around. It's always good to look around before we can move. Get that extra stuff. Get here, man. Yep, so we got guys over here. Let's see, that guy had a grenade. That's perfect. You can throw it over here. I can get more stuff. I'll let that guy suffer for what he did for killing our last platoon. Alright, wait. I've never been over here. Get some health. You the boys up. There we go. Dude, these guys are looking like a boss. Got some more health and then we can go. We're killing everyone. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, I'm gonna end here. If you guys like this episode, please give it a like. And let's go for 10 likes this episode. If we reach it, we can see another one. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!